Good day, and what is up, moneymakers? Options turn some traders into success stories and others into bankruptcy. Here are some mistakes countless investors make, myself included, that can start cutting away at your gains in options trading. Before we get started, join our free Discord server following the link in the description, like the video, and subscribe. The number one mistake, especially common with Robinhood traders and new traders, is trading options with little to no experience and no background knowledge of options trading. Do some research before participating in options trading. Have an understanding of what the risks involved in options trading are and the underlying principles and concepts behind options trading. Trading options is a more advanced way of trading assets and will require more experience than just trading stocks. There are countless stories of new traders jumping into options trading with no background knowledge on the subject and completely burn their portfolio in a matter of days. The second mistake that a lot of people make is not setting an options budget. Your budget should be a set dollar amount or a set portfolio percentage that you are not going to worry about if you lose it all. This is what traders call personal risk tolerance, which is defined by Investopedia.com as the amount of risk that an investor is comfortable taking or the degree of uncertainty that an investor is able to handle. This article is a good read, and I've linked it in the description for you to check out. An example of an options budget is, if your account has $1,000 in it, set aside $250 as your options money if you're taking the set dollar approach. The budget that I personally use is setting a percentage budget for options. My personal risk tolerance currently is around 10% of my portfolio, or around $500. I try very hard to stick within that budget, but I am occasionally guilty of spending more. The third mistake people make is chasing the dragon, or getting amped up on your gains while trading options. What I mean is, for example, say after you make $1,000 from an option, you then reinvest the entire $1,000 and the rest of the money in your portfolio on a single option expiring in 3 days, since you are chasing the high of making so much money in a single trade. When you trade options like this, you are turning the stock market into a casino, and you have the potential of completely wiping out your entire portfolio within minutes. I will link this video in the description of a Reddit user named Control the Narrative who wiped out his entire portfolio by playing the options market wrong. He lost tens of thousands of dollars within minutes. Check out the video so you can see what I mean. The fourth mistake I see Robinhood users make frequently is holding options for too long. If you've done any research on options, you'll know that time has a direct relationship on the value. The Greek value theta shows the effect that time has on an option. Theta burn, or theta decay, also time decay, is the concept that as an option nears expiration, if it is still out of the money, the option value begins to decay exponentially. However, if the option is in the money, the option's theta decay will decrease in a more linear fashion. Do not let your contracts expire worthless. I've learned this the hard way by losing over $1,000 on 5 microchip calls. Here's a picture of my account so you can maybe feel me die on the inside a little bit. The final mistake I'm going to go over today is not waking up for options trading open at 9:30. Options trading requires active management to ensure the best results. When options become tradable at 9:30, they are usually the most volatile, which is a good time to potentially sell options at its daily high or buy an option at its daily low. That way you can try and mitigate potential losses. That is pretty much all for this video. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe. If this video helped you from making mistakes or pointing out mistakes that you were making, let me know down in the comments. As always, join our free Discord server, link in the description, and have a great day.